Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. My name is Madam Mas and I'm going to discuss on the writing assessment for semester 2 WE023 in this video. Okay, as you can see here, the writing task will supply you with 20% of the overall marks and the lifelong learning another 5%. You are given 8 hours to carry out this task non-face-to-face, and you are required to create a brochure promoting a product or a service of your choice. So you have to work in group, and your group members have to be between 3 to 5, and you have to discuss on the product or the service that you plan to do, right? And in this brochure, you have to write more or less 800 words to describe perfectly of your product or your services. Okay, here you can see that I have included the suggested content which you may want to put in your brochure. Okay, first you can see here the product profile, right? You want to describe the functions or the type of service that you want to propose to your customer, the product specification, descriptions of service, how to operate a product or your service, and who are your target group. And then of course you have to put or you insert relevant images or pictures so that your customers or your prospect know what actually you are advertising. Right, and of course you have to put your price, and your contact number, how you can be contacted by your customers, your phone number, your mobile phone, your email address, the website, and so on and so forth. And you can also include the warranty of your product or your service, testimonies from your previous customers, and other services, other special features that you can think will help promoting your product to your customers. Okay, so here are the sub skills that are required for you to use in order to get good marks, right? So first we are looking for the usage of appropriate words or expressions or register for the intended purpose, and we are talking about the promoting of the product, right? And the usage of persuasive language, the usage of cohesive devices, and how you present relations between within a sentence or between sentences and between paragraphs. Okay. Next is the scoring descriptor. Okay, first is the task fulfillment and creativity, which is very, very important. All right. So your brochure must be very informative with detailed explanation inserted in your brochure. Okay, and you must show the excellent understanding of the task. Okay, ideas which you present will have to be effectively developed. Very creative and very effective use of graphic, highly appealing to the visual, will help you to get better marks, right? And the next scoring descriptor, we are focusing on the language and organization. Language is accurate. How you put your words in the brochure must be accurate and with minimal errors. Okay, try to write perfectly, as perfect as possible, right? And what you are trying to convey must come across clearly, right? And the usage of appropriate and varied persuasive vocabulary is highly valued. Okay, and you must know how to use your word or your vocabulary persuasively so that you can attract more customers and prospects. Okay, good variety of sentence structure, right? Remember, you have to write within the word limit, more or less, I can say more or less 800 words, right? And you have to write good varieties of sentence structure, and of course effective linking of ideas from one sentence to another sentence, or one phrase to another phrase. Okay, so for the focusing of lifelong learning, excellent effort to complete the tasks between the group members is really appreciated. Okay, alright, so that's all for the writing task. Thank you everyone for listening, and all the best. Assalamualaikum.